How do I merge two dictionaries in a single expression? I want to merge two dictionaries into a new dictionary. Whenever a key K is present in both dictionaries, only the value y, k, should be kept.
In your case, you can do this will, as you want it, put the final dict in Z and make the value for key B be properly overridden by the second y dict's value. If you use Python 2, you can even remove the list calls to create Z. If you use Python version 3.9.0 or 4 or greater, you can directly use an alternative.
Another, more concise, option. Note, this has become a popular answer, but it is important to point out that if y has any non-string keys, the fact that this works at all is an abuse of a Python implementation detail, and it does not work in Python 3, or in PyPy, IronPython, or Jython. Also, Guido is not a fan. So I can't recommend this technique for forward-compatible or cross-implementation portable code, which really means it should be avoided entirely.
This probably won't be a popular answer, but you almost certainly do not want to do this. If you want a copy that's a merge, then use copy, or deep copy, depending on what you want, and then update. The two lines of code are much more readable, more Pythonic, than the single line creation with .items, plus .items. Explicit is better than implicit. In addition, when you use .items, pre-Python 3.0, you're creating a new list that contains the items from the dict. If your dictionaries are large, then that is quite a lot of overhead, two large lists that will be thrown away as soon as the merged dict is created. Update can work more efficiently, because it can run through the second dict item by item. In terms of time, IMO the tiny slowdown between the first two is worth it for the readability. In addition, keyword arguments for dictionary creation was only added in Python 2.3, whereas copy and update will work in older versions.
If you want to support the channel, Dictionary is starting.